Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be breaking down Xpeng. I'm going to tell y'all what's happening right now, where I think it's going, and what to do next week. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate all the support all the new followers have given me. And I'd also like to remind you, I recently made a website, and for my 1,000 subscriber special, I'm giving y'all all $50 off. Click the link in the description below. You can use it on the course. This will help you chart out how I do it. It will teach you how to learn and basically all of the basics you need to know. So go ahead and click that in the link description, and the first 20 people to sign up, you get a month to my stock membership for free, a whole month, and I'll go live with you every single night if you enroll into this membership. So whoever enrolls, I go live with you every single night. And let's get right into the video. Let's talk about Xpeng. So today, Xpeng, it pushed up, we sold off, and we literally went nowhere. Literally nowhere today. We closed at the same price we did yesterday. Now let's talk about actually what happened and the scenario I was talking about. So in my previous Xpeng video, if you missed out on that, I talked about Xpeng was going to do two things tomorrow. One or two things. We were going to push up the resistance and get rejected, or we were going to fall down to this support and bounce. Now we did the push up to resistance. Notice we have that candle wick right at the spot where I have my resistance. My resistance is at 48.15, and that's exactly where we bounced at, or we got rejected at. See how this wick lets us know that this wick right here let us know that buyers came in, but sellers came in harder and pushed price down. Then next candle, we opened up and then just pushed down for the rest of the day. So it really wasn't an eventful day. We stayed in the exact same spot. So if you're watching Xpeng right now, you're probably a little frustrated, and I would be too. But don't worry guys, we're just consolidating, and eventually what we need to do is push up past this resistance. So going to the session on Monday, we really need to see some buyers come in and push up to resistance, which is at 48.06, around that area. If we don't, then we're going to get rejected and pull down to this little mini support here, which is at 43.70. So that's an area you need to watch going into the session on Monday. Now let's go down to a smaller time frame and actually see what happened today. Basically, we pushed up the resistance. We tried to hold above it, the support, to act as a support now, but we continued to fall down. We pushed up, and then we began to sell off. We tried to test it from the underside, but notice sellers came in and we got rejected, and we slowly bled off for the rest of the day. So like I said, this was a very uneventful day today. There wasn't a lot of action, and it was a big disappointment. Now overall, Xpeng, still great company. Don't worry if you have a high share price. I'm telling you guys, don't panic and sell. I know it seems like it's been drawn out forever, and you'll wonder if it ever will get back to the price you bought it at, and it will guys. This is an amazing company. Like I've said in all of my videos, if you're trading it, that's when you implement, your plan, your trading plan, your stop losses, your take profit. But if you're an investor, you're looking to hold this for a couple months, guys, don't worry. Trust me, 2021 has amazing things in store for Xpeng. We have more deliveries, they're expanding their market cap, and they just raised capital to improve their cars and their overall performance. So don't worry guys, if you're bummed out about this, like I said, just ride this wave. Eventually we will return, but we can still look at key levels we need to get above. So my thought process on Monday is either do we pull back to support at 53.61, or do we continue this uptrend and push up to resistance, and we don't need to get rejected. Notice how we keep getting rejected. If you're bullish on Xpeng, we really need to get above this level right here, and we've tried it multiple times before, so it's only a matter of time before we get above it and we stay above it. Notice this time we did hold above it for a day, but we came down, got rejected. Now we're testing it from the underside. This is bearish right now, but I have no doubt in my mind that eventually Xpeng is going to recover. It's a matter of if. So we need to see what's going to happen going to the session Monday. So just relax guys. We're still in this downtrend. We tried to recover, we pushed down, and now we're not bearish until we get really below this low right here. If you have any hope in Xpeng for a short term, we're not bearish until we get below this low. Once we get below this low, then we're probably heading back down to this purple line. But plan still hasn't changed guys. We're not at this level yet, so there's no need to panic. There's no need to freak out, because eventually Xpeng will return. And really, I'm looking at a good week for Xpeng going into the session on Monday, Tuesday. We really do have a short week though going into next week because it's Christmas, so we won't have a Friday session. So keep in mind that you need to get all of your trades in before Christmas, because like I said, we have Christmas on Friday, market's not closed, and we're really going to see what Xpeng is going to do. But overall, I'm still bullish on this company like many of y'all are. Y'all got in this company because it's an amazing electric vehicle company that's known. We know that's emerging in China right now. We know that they're trying to expand their market, and overall, this company will do fine. And notice, we didn't have much volume today either. We really had low volume today, so we didn't have these big swings like we normally do. So just keep that in mind as well. We're just slowly consolidating. We're getting there, and eventually we will have that breakout to the resistance. But if you're trading this, still have your stop loss in play. From yesterday, I still have my stop loss at 45.15. Plan hasn't changed. We really did nothing. So going into the session on Monday, I'll really be looking how we react around the resistance. And once again, guys, to recap, we need to get above this resistance. Notice how we tried to get above it, but we got rejected. This level is at 48.24. Go ahead and put your alert there, and then we'll see how it does on the session on Monday. Anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what stocks you're looking at, and I'll be more than happy to break those down for you. And once again, just another quick reminder, I do have these services now available for y'all. I just released this site, I just published it, have my newsletter, my membership, and my course. If the course is, you're not ready to do that right now, maybe consider doing my membership or my stock newsletter. So anyways, guys, I will see you all in the next